What's up, guys? So I wasn't gonna vlog today, but I decided to do it because it looks like a really fun day. So now we're gonna start a very nice montage. Now we're gonna start a very nice montage of everything I'm doing today, and hope you enjoy. Well, I don't exactly know where we are. We're in Zakopane in Poland. On the top of a ski resort. And so it has like the prettiest view ever. That's what it looks like. And then everyone else is up there somewhere. And it's just really cool. Also, just got an Instagram picture, so I'll have my Instagram right here and my name, so you should definitely go check that out. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. I hope you have a great day.